Good morning, everyone. I am Bhuvan Raj. Today's my presented topic is FCFS scheduling. It means first come first served. And next overview of FCFS. This slide is introduced to basic ideas of the FCFS scheduling algorithm. First one, simplest algorithm. FCFS is the earliest and easiest CPU scheduling method because follows a very simple rule. The process that arrives first gets CPU first. There is no complex calculations, is no priority system. And second one, FIFO principle. Just like a standing in a line, the person who comes first is a first serve. That otherwise waiting the behind the CPU. And next, first arriving first CPU. The process with earliest arrival time will always be selected the first by the CPU scheduler. Next, non-primitive. It means a never stops or switch to another process until full completes. And next slide. And next slide. Key characteristics. This points is describe the behavior features of FCFS. First one, easy to implement. Implementation is so simple, just use a queue structure and insert a process at the end, removes the process from the front. Next, no interruption. After CPU starts a job, it finishes complete only then the next job starts. And next queue order. Process are served in the extract order they arrived, no regarding or skipping. Next, fourth one, no priority. Means all processes are treated equally. Even process is a improvement and a very FCFS does not given a special priority. Next, third slide. How FCS works. This which means these slides explain the working steps of the algorithm. First arrival and selection, execution, X process, and last is report. First one arrival, it means process a arrive into the system and enter the ready queue first. And selection, the scheduler checks the queue and select the first process that arrives when arrives the is processing. And next third one, execution, the selected process is executed fully and it's like a non-primitive. Next process, once the current process is finished, the scheduler selects is means a next process in the queue and repeat this continued the until all processing are finished. Okay, next slide. Important OS term, it means operating system term. First arrival time, burst time, waiting time, and next turnaround time. I come to first arrival time. The time at a switch process enter the ready queue. Example like arriving time 2 means it's the process arriving at a time 2. Next burst time, it means BT call. The actually CPU time is needed by processing to complete and its executions. Next, waiting time. Waiting time, it means how long process waits in the ready queue before the CPU execution starts. Like formula, waiting time start is equal to start time minus arrival time. It's find out. Next, TAT, it means turnaround time. Total time taken the from arrival to completion. It means formula TAT means how to find out TAT. TAT is equal to completion time minus arrival time. It's like a complete time whenever the last time is comes now, that's taken the completion time. It's minus to whatever comes to arrival time. It's minus. You can find out the TAT. It means turnaround time. Okay. Next slide. Next slide comes to simple FCFS like example. Process given P1, P2, P3 arriving 0, comma burst time 5. It means question. Arrival 2, burst time is 3. Arrival 4, burst time 1. Execution order, since FCS use arrival time, the order is like P1, P2, P3. Even though P3 has the smallest burst time, FCS will be not given the priority. And next. Slide 6. Gantt chart. Gantt chart. It means observation P1 waited 0 second. It arrived the first and CPU was free. And next P2 waited 3 seconds. P2 arrived at a time 2, but P1 was running until time 5. And so waiting time is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And next 3. P3 waited 4 seconds. P3 arrived time 4, but P1 plus P2 completed at a time is 8. So waiting time is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next, this slide explains waiting time clearly. Okay, next slide, 7th slide. Advantages of FCS. What is advantages? Simplicity, fairness, no starvation, batch friendly. First one I comes to simplicity, very easy to understand and implement. And next, every process gets a chance based arrival time, and it means some process never gets CPU in FCFS is never happiness. And next, batch, last one is batch friendly, it uses a simple batch system and offline job also. Next, disadvantages of FCFS. If a long process comes first, all short process must wait behind it. This is delay the enter queue badly. And next, high waiting time. Average waiting time it becomes a large when arrival times is vary. Next, poor performance is not suitable for real-time system and interactive system like users applications, whatever. Next, no priority handling. Urgent process cannot be exited first. Next, last slide, ninth slide, application and conclusion. What's where FCS is used means printer queue, disk scheduling in simple operating system like file serves, batch jobs in baseline of comparing to other algorithms. Okay, next key takeaway. FCS is a simple, fair, and easy, but not efficient for mixed jobs. Okay, next modern of operating system is use better the algorithms like round robin, SJF, and priority, non-priority. That's like okay. Thank you.